2012 Porsche 911 Carrera S that the owner bought new. I ceramic coated this car about 11 years ago. In the meantime, it's been a daily driver, and sometimes garage, often left outside in the driveway, under trees, etc. Never had a clear bra, so you can tell. The bumper tells the story of having no clear bra, but the owner is holding on to it, so he decided after all these years that he wanted me to re-polish, so what do you call it, paint correct the car and re-ceramic coat it. So that's what we did. And yeah, the car needed some serious help. The paint needed some attention. There were some deep gouges here and there that would not come out ever, but compared to the way the car came in, I would say there's a huge difference after the paint correction and then the ceramic coating. Now it looks again the way a black 911 should look. I mean, I always tell people when a black car does not get maintained properly, it almost starts looking like it has a grayish finish to it instead of a deep black. The black gets so whether it's through swirl marks or oxidation, water spots, it literally starts looking grayish. And that's pretty much how this car looked. So after the paint correction, the deep black look is back, and then the ceramic coating went over that to protect everything. Like I said, there are some deeper scratches. I can find them. There you go. There's some like that. They're all over the car. But again, he's going to keep the car, and instead of buying a new one, to him it's worth it to hold on to this one. I've done many other cars for the family in the last 11 years. Different Porsches, BMWs, etc. He's actually bringing me a BMW when he picks this one up. So I think he just likes this car enough to the point where he wants to hold on to it, and I think that's a good choice. You can't go wrong with a 911. It doesn't have to be a turbo, it doesn't have to be an RS model. To me, just a base 911 is already better than 95% of what's out there. The choices you have. That's just my personal opinion. I just prefer Porsches over many other exotics and luxury cars, but again, that's just my personal preference. So it's ready to go. Hopefully he'll hold on to it for at least another 10 years, and I know he enjoys driving it.